Your love's a good love, a harbor in a stormy sea. Your love is perfect for me. It's wild as desire, strong like some mighty tree. Your love is perfect for me. 'Cause some love's a fire.
Tell me something. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful baby. Her name was Adeline. Wasn't it? And she always wanted to have a puppy. Yeah, and then she got 2 puppies. Roma and Jelly Belly. Yeah, right? Oh, yeah. And then she went for car rides with her mommy and left her daddy home to work. She did. Oh, there's her mommy. Who's that? Is that your mommy? Oh, yes it is. What do you think? Is there more to the story? Oh, there is a lot more. Oh. What's that sound? Oh, I can't hear you. There, now tell me. Oh, is that right? Is that good? What's that? Oh, she's serious.
Some loves hang on when you know they're not right. But your love is my love, and as far as I can see, your love is perfect for me. But your love is my love, and as far as I can see, your love is perfect for me. It's a crossroads, a twist of fate,